Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create stunning rainbow effects. We'll explore various techniques, from digital design to physical applications, ensuring you can produce a beautiful spectrum of colors. Whether you're working on a graphic project or a hands-on craft, mastering these methods will elevate your work. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of color and light, transforming ordinary visuals into extraordinary displays. For digital projects, gradient tools are your best friend. In graphic design software, you can easily create a smooth transition across the color spectrum. For web design, CSS gradients offer powerful control. Define your colors, perhaps 6 or 7, and set their positions along the gradient. Try a linear gradient spanning 180 degrees for a classic horizontal rainbow, or a radial gradient for a burst of color from a central point. Creating physical rainbows can be incredibly rewarding. A simple glass prism, when placed in direct sunlight or under a strong artificial light, will beautifully disperse light into a full spectrum. For artistic projects, consider layering translucent paints. Start with red, then orange, and so on, ensuring smooth transitions between each of the 7 colors. Experiment with light sources and angles, perhaps a 45-degree angle, to achieve the most vivid and captivating display. To make your rainbow effects truly pop, focus on seamless color blending. Avoid abrupt changes. Instead, aim for a gradual, harmonious shift from one hue to the next. Always include a full spectrum of colors, typically 6 or 7, for the most authentic look. Consider the background and lighting conditions. A darker background often makes the colors appear more vivid. Practice and experimentation are key to mastering this beautiful and dynamic visual phenomenon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.